Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, AI in Finance. Chapter 6. Creating a Dataset with ChatGPT. Creating a dataset with ChatGPT involves using the AI's capabilities to generate, organize, and structure data efficiently. In finance, datasets are foundational for analysis, modeling, and decision-making. By leveraging ChatGPT, finance professionals can quickly generate synthetic data for testing models, simulate various financial scenarios, or fill gaps in existing datasets. The process begins with defining the dataset's requirements, such as the type of data needed, for example, stock prices, transaction records, customer information, the structure, for example, columns and rows, and the desired format. ChatGPT can then generate data entries based on these specifications, ensuring they follow realistic patterns and distributions. This capability is particularly useful for creating diverse datasets that reflect different market conditions or customer behaviors. Episode 6 of AI in Finance delves into the practical steps of creating datasets with ChatGPT, showcasing its potential to enhance data preparation, streamline research, and improve the overall quality of financial analyses. By automating data creation, ChatGPT not only saves time, but also allows finance professionals to focus on more complex tasks that require human insight and expertise.